Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this clover and shamrock leaves. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, make 7 chain crochet stitches. Once you are done with 7 chain crochet stitches, we will skip starting 3 stitches, and in 4th stitch we will make a triple crochet stitch. Not one, we will make 3 triple crochet stitches in 4th stitch. We have to skip 3 stitches, and in 4th stitch we will make 3 triple crochet stitches. I'll just show you. I'm giving you slow demonstration. Even though you want to refer tutorial video for how to make triple crochet or treble crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is with written instructions. Slow demonstration is given. It's quite easy to understand, so you can refer it. Now whatever stitches we will be making making by using only one thread of chain crochet stitch, only one thread. So now in 4th stitch we will be making 3 triple crochet stitches, triple crochet stitch or treble crochet stitch, 3. Okay. Here we complete our 3rd one. Now in next stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches in one stitch only, and remember we are using only one thread of chain crochet stitch, only one thread. Okay, and we will make now 2 double crochet stitches in next stitch. After that, in next stitch, now we will make 1 half double crochet stitch, and next to it 1 single crochet stitch. In description you will find links for all tutorial video for half double crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch. So if you want, you can refer them. Once we are done with our last single crochet stitch, see this is half of a leaf. Okay, now once we are done with the last single crochet stitch, now we will make 2 chain crochet stitches, and now to the other side of the chain we will start making stitches in reverse manner. First, from downside, first stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. Then next stitch we will make 1 half double crochet stitch. Then in next stitch, now we will make 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Here goes the second one. Okay, now in next stitch we will make 3 triple crochet stitches in one single stitch, and remember we are just making use of only one thread. First we use one single thread of the chain crochet stitch. Now we are using next one thread of single crochet stitch, then further chain crochet stitches, and then further we will use the last one, middle thread. Okay, after we are done with 3 triple crochet stitches, now we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. See, and I will join it with the slip stitch in the same stitch where I have made 3 triple crochet stitches. Okay, so our leaf is done almost. Now see, can you see this middle stitches, middle threads? As we have used one side thread to make one side of the leaf and one side thread to make other side of the leaf. Now for this middle thread we will make one single slip stitch in each middle thread. See, this way we will go on making those slip stitches in each middle thread. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with those middle slip stitch, after that we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the border of the leaf, complete border of the leaf. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you that. See, this is how a leaf looks. Okay, so like following same pattern, we have to make 3 leaves for shamrock and 4 leaves for clover. Okay, and we don't need to cut a thread. We will just go on making now. We will again make 7 chain crochet stitches, and then following same pattern. So in one thread only, we don't need to cut the yarn. Okay, I'll just show you. See, now I've done with my 3 leaves. Now we will make that little branch or little stem. So we will make 15 chain crochet stitches. After 15 stitches, we will take one loop from each stitch on a needle. So we will need like 15 loops on a needle. See, this way we will make one loop. So we will now make 15 loops on a needle. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. We have to go till end of the chain. Once we are done with a loop, now we will yarn over and pull through from first loop, and after that we will yarn over and pull through from two loops till end. So we have to just go on and yarn over and pull through from two loops. Then we are done. See, this is how a shamrock leaf looks like. Crochet shamrock leaf. It was 3 leaves. I'll show you clover leaf also. And this is how a clover leaf look like with 4 leaves. Okay, so those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, I'll request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, crochet tutorial videos. And those who have already subscribed, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots of crochet tutorial videos. Thank you. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.